guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. But before we get started, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I thought आज Christmas के दिन पे what better way to start the show than sing Merry Christmas to you. But without further ado, let's get started with the show. Top headlines coming your way. Malaika Arora talks about keeping Christmas simple this year and why Arjun Kapoor is the best quarantine partner. Isha Gupta shares why this Christmas is extra special for her. Kareena and Anushka all set to become moms as Bollywood experiences a baby boom. 5 celeb affairs that grabbed headlines in B-Town. This year has been one where we have seen the best of times and the worst of times. While it brought a lot of difficulties for so many of us, it has also brought tremendous joy and happiness to couples in B-Town, many of whom will be welcoming new babies in the new year. वैसे तो सांता क्लॉज गिफ्ट्स लाते हैं बच्चों के लिए, पर इस साल बच्चे ही नए साल का तोहफा बनके आ रहे हैं. The stork came visiting before Santa and blessed many homes in Bollywood with babies. So who are the B-Town couples जिनका लॉकडाउन दूसरों से कुछ ज्यादा इवेंटफुल रहा? Take a look. Anushka and Virat. Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli married in an intimate ceremony in 2017, and the power couple who dated for almost 4 years before surprising fans with the news of their wedding announced in August this year that they will soon be joined by a third new member. Anushka, who has also taken a break from acting after Zero in 2018, has been busy with her commitments as a producer and plans to be back on set by May next year. लेकिन एक बात तो पक्की है, आपकी गुड न्यूज सुनकर हम क्लीन बोल्ड हो गए. Kareena and Saif. Saifina are parents to the utterly adorable Taimur. But this August, they announced that Bebo was all set to become a mommy again. And Saif, as his sister said, will be a quote father, all set to welcome his 4th child next year. Though they were home for many months during the lockdown, Bebo is setting working mom goals all over again by working through the pandemic and her second pregnancy, completing her scenes for Lal Singh Chaddha and shooting for her chat show and ads. Looks like they will have a very merry 2021. Shilpa Shetty Kundra and Raj Kundra. Shilpa and Raj welcomed a second daughter, Samiksha, through surrogacy in February this year. And their wish of having another child was finally fulfilled.
15 नंबर मेरे लिए बहुत लकी साबित हो रहा है. बताऊं क्यों? 15 फरवरी को मेरी बेटी समीशा पैदा हुई.
Shilpa has spoken candidly about her struggles with getting pregnant, and it's amazing to see how thrilled they are that their eldest son Vihan finally has the little sister he always wanted. Hardik and Natasha. Hardik Pandya and Natasha Stankovic surprised everyone when they announced their engagement on the 1st of January. And in July this year, the couple welcomed their son Agastya. Natasha, who has been a part of a few Bollywood films, is currently enjoying motherhood and often posts pictures of herself and the adorable little Agastya, who is getting cuter by the day.
Madesi. Mayeli.
Even Hardik, who is busy traveling around the world for his cricket tournaments, makes sure to spend time with his son every time they are together. Malaika Arora has had an eventful year. The actor resumed work after battling the pandemic-related virus and was also spotted taking a holiday with BO Arjun Kapoor and bestie Kareena Kapoor Khan. The charming and beautiful Malaika opened up about how she will miss her Christmas rituals of midnight mass and a big Christmas celebration with family and friends. But safety, she feels, is the most important thing to worry about. The actor shares how she gets emotional when she speaks about her son leaving home to study. Do check out a quick preview of this lovely chat with Malaika, and you can watch the full interview on Zoom Happy Space with Rudurani Chattaraj on 27th of December this Sunday at 7:30 p.m. only on Zoom.
Hello everyone, I'm Rudurani and welcome to Zooms. I'll be chatting with an extremely inspirational woman. She is an entrepreneur in her own right. She's the most energetic person that I know. I'm of course talking about the lovely Malaika Arora. Hello, Malaika.
Hi, how are you, Rajani?
I'm good. It's Christmas and New Year, right? And I think this time you always want to be with family, and you want to go and you guys had ritual. I know you do the midnight mass thing. How much are you going to miss that?
I'm going to miss all of those perks of life that have been so easy and so available. Yes, we will miss it, but I think what is more important is people need to still be very cautious. I mean, things are opening up, but you can't just be running out there and thinking that everything is fine and not wearing your mask, not maintaining social distancing, not the basic things that are required. And I think you can't take that for granted. So yes, I will miss it, but it's okay. I mean, we still have our friends and family around us, and so that is what is important, that we can still just be together in our little small confined spaces and numbers, of course, keeping that in mind.
What do you think is one of the best things that you could get as a Christmas gift or a New Year gift this year, but something that you really want?
The vaccine would be a great gift.
And here, putting it out in the universe, are we?
I'm putting it out there. I mean, not that gift, not personally to me. I want that gift for everybody. A vaccine would be a great gift.
An actor, if you got a chance to be in the lockdown with, who would be very entertaining, who would that be and why? Could be very entertaining, just for that purpose.
I was quarantined with
that is true. You were there with Arjun. I know that.
And he's very entertaining, so it's fine.
Arjun is so it's Arjun.
He's very
stick with him.
I would want to be in quarantine with him in lockdown, because I think he is extremely entertaining. There's never a dull moment with him. He's very, so he's very.
That is true. He is entertaining. He'll spend 5 minutes of just copying Mr. Anil Kapoor, and that is also entertaining.
Well, I think with me, it's more about he keeps making fun of me. I think that's his, so for me, I'm only laughing. That's his way of this. Keep tange khicho and make. So, but for me, I think he is super, super funny and entertaining all the time.
So what is it that's there in the bucket list that's still left?
It's a very difficult thing, because honestly, I mean, everybody is going crazy. Oh God, we can't wait to travel. Can't wait to. For me, it's fine. It's not honestly, it's not a pressing issue in my life. It really isn't. I just want. There is nothing. Honestly, I mean, I know it sounds very bizarre. No, I mean, I genuinely don't know what 1st of January has in store for everybody. I mean, everybody is behaving like, everything is going to be fantastic. But I genuinely don't know what's in store. It feels very uncertain what's in store for everybody. There is a sense of uncertainty. But honestly, the only thing that I want is that, my son is going to be going and studying, he was supposed to leave this year. He did. I mean, obviously they couldn't, and now next year. So that's the only. It's a new chapter in my life. It's a new phase. I'm not ready for it, but I have to make. I have to come to terms with it. It's a little heartbreaking every time I think about. Oh my God. So yeah, for me, I need to just now. Kind of process the fact that he's going to go away next, very, very soon. So that's the only thing right now that is occupying me completely.
The emptiness syndrome is happening.
Yeah, a sense of emptiness, loneliness, and because like for me, he's like my sounding board. He's a friend. We fight. We are whatever. We make up. We argue. We don't talk to each other. It's like typical. It's like that, but. Yes, but I've never ever not had him around, like he's constantly around. He's, so now suddenly he's 18 and he's going to, fly the nest and he's going to go. So I have to, and I'm so actually, because he was supposed to go this year and all of this happened and he didn't, I actually said a prayer and I was like, thank you, okay, chalo, I have some more time with him.
I really, really enjoy chatting with you. I actually feel a little motivated. Thank you. Thank you so much for doing this. And I think we are all super proud of the way you live your life. And thank you for being who you are, Malaika. Thank you always.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And a little message on what you'd like to give to all of them who are watching it.
Well, yes, 2020 has been a very trying year for everybody. And everybody is looking for that silver lining. Everybody is looking for that a little bit of... relief from this very, very tough year. But let's end the year by saying, wishing everybody a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and hope and pray that 2021 is a better year. And still, we got to be safe, be healthy, and take care, and lots of love.
Bollywood has been home to many heady romances. While some led to fairy tale weddings, others grabbed headlines for all the wrong reasons. So कौन है वो बॉलीवुड कपल जहां क्यूपिड ने लव स्टोरी शुरू तो की लेकिन कंट्रोवर्सीज ने हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर होने नहीं दिया। बॉलीवुड में जितनी पॉपुलर लव स्टोरीज ऑन स्क्रीन देखी गई है उतनी ही न्यूज वर्दी लव स्टोरीज ऑफ स्क्रीन भी हुई है। Most of these prem kahanis remain in the sphere of gossip in Bollywood or grapevine and were never confirmed by the stars. लेकिन यही अधूरी प्रेम कहानीज और controversial प्रेम कहानीज बन गई the fodder for movie industry lore. Take a look. Ranbir Deepika. Topping the list of controversial couples are Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone. Ranbir and Deepika fell in love while working on Bachna Hai Hasino and dated for 2 years before having a rather bitter and controversy-laden breakup. Deepika Ranbir को लेके बहुत serious थी and had even got his initials tattooed on the nape of her neck. लेकिन thanks to Ranbir's supposed affinity for Hasinas others than his girlfriend, Deepika finally called it quits after allegedly catching him red-handed on a couple of occasions. The two maintain a cordial relationship though and have even worked together in 2 films post their breakup. Alia Siddharth. Deepika's loss was Alia's gain, but not before she dated and broke up with her Student of the Year co-star Siddharth Malhotra. Alia and Siddharth made a great on-screen pair and worked together in Student of the Year and Kapoor and Sons while also allegedly dating each other off-screen. But looks like कुछ होने के बाद उनकी Once Upon a Time की खुशी गम में बदल गई. And the two Dharma prodigies decided to call it quits in 2017. Tiger Disha. Tiger Shroff and Disha Patni are one of those couples who prefer to deny and be in denial than admit their rather obvious relationship. Tiger and Disha have reportedly been in a relationship for quite a few years now and are frequently seen vacationing together or heading out in the city for a drive. Disha is also best friends with Tiger's sister Krishna and his mom. But this couple, who also happen to have the best physiques in the business, have been firm in their refusal to accept their romance. Well, here's hoping they do someday. Salman Ash. Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai began a heady romance on the sets of Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. लेकिन सलमान को अपना दिल देकर ऐश को supposedly परेशानियों के अलावा कुछ नहीं मिला. The actor who dated Salman till almost 2001 has spoken about how difficult it was to be in a relationship with Salman, who was rumored to be insecure and also allegedly used abusive words towards her. सलमान के possessive nature की वजह से Ash supposedly lost out on almost 4 big films. And after an increasingly difficult time, she publicly distanced herself from Salman, refusing to ever work with him or be seen with him in public again. Amitabh Rekha. Another relationship that has been a part of Bollywood lore is that of Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha. Amit ji and Rekha worked together in multiple films and were rumored to be seeing each other off screen as well. Though Rekha ji admitted in an interview that she was deeply attracted to him, Amit ji has always denied any romantic relationship between himself and the yesteryear diva. Well, Salame-Ishq bhale hi कबूल ना हुआ हो, लेकिन अमित जी और रेखा जी की केमिस्ट्री वाकई स्पेशल थी. प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, बट गाइस स्टे ट्यून्ड cuz I'll be back in a short while. Isha Gupta is excited about celebrating Christmas for the first time with her boyfriend who is from Spain. Instead of just having a day break like most Indians, इस बार ईशा क्रिसमस और न्यू ईयर्स का वीक पूरी तरह एंजॉय करेंगी with all the traditional Christian rituals. Isha also spoke about Christmas traditions and rituals from her childhood and how her sister makes sure to gift her a very special present each year. Take a look.
The year is coming to an end now. And also Christmas is around. So
Christmas.
Like yes, we are celebrating like this. I'm sad actually. Like I just have written which I could do. Like Christmas.
Yeah.
So it would have been better अगर हम लोग face to face करते थे. But obviously.
I know.
क्या plans है अभी for Christmas? If you can tell us कैसे celebrate करने वाले? Do you celebrate Christmas here also?
Yeah, I will. Actually, my boyfriend's from Madrid, so I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna be with him and his whole family. It's my first Christmas, like first proper Christmas with people, Christian, Catholic. So it'll be really nice.
Wow.
ये लोग जैसे celebrate करते हैं, I'll celebrate with them. And we have the Christmas tree at his house. Like when I went, like मैंने पूरी Christmas tree set up की थी because I said हमारे लिए जैसे दिवाली है इन लोगों के लिए Christmas है. I mean Christmas हम इंडिया में भी celebrate, but मतलब I was so happy and blessed that this year I was with family Diwali पे again, because it's the same celebration of light and colors, and यहाँ पे भी the whole city of Madrid is so beautifully lit up.
Yeah, I'm sure.
But I'm pretty excited because like खाने को मिलेगा different things, otherwise perpetually it's a diet.
Correct. This is a new experience for you, celebrating.
Exactly, and it's the first time.
Correct.
It's the first time. Usually, otherwise, हम लोग इंडिया में we are working, shoot कर रहे होते हैं हम Christmas time पे भी. Maybe एक दिन छुट्टी लेते हैं, वरना जाते जाते क्या एक Christmas party हो गई. It's not really, but इन लोगों के लिए, over here for people, it's like जैसे हमारा दिवाली, it's a proper festival, not party.
Correct. One thing that comes to your mind as a child when when you celebrated Christmas, you got to know about the festival. तो कौन सी एक memory है आपकी जो आपको हमेशा याद आती है Christmas?
Listen, people are gonna think that this woman is old enough and still has these things, but I'll be honest, my sister, my elder sister, she still does that because ज़्यादातर I think 25th tak we are shooting, and if not, either she comes to me if I'm working, actually then she comes celebrates with me, so that Christmas New Year we are together. Otherwise I try and go back Delhi. Last year also she did that. So oh my god, I'm so blessed, touch wood. No matter what, like literally no matter what, कहीं पे भी मैं होंगी, अगर मैं कहीं और किसी और शहर में भी शूट कर रही होंगी, वो मेरी सिस्टर आ जाती है और हमेशा मुझे क्रिसमस की कैंडीज मिलती हैं अभी तक. It's so nice that it's like a little tradition between both of us because we are a small family, we are just a nuclear family, but हमेशा we make sure, like she makes sure she does that for me.
Right. Did you believe Santa was real as a child? आप मानती थी Santa? Like, was there a point when you believed कि Santa Claus है और आएंगे?
No.
As a kid or something?
Unfortunately, no. Because हमेशा पता है अच्छा या तो मम्मी ला रहे हैं या पापा ला रहे हैं gifts तो.
हमारे Santa Claus वही है.
Yeah, it's a good thing that we knew कि हमारे parents are Santa Claus क्योंकि हमें पता है कि उन्हें पटाना है फिर.
Secret Santa game खेला जाता है Christmas में. Usually,
okay.
we also play.
Yeah.
So, like, obviously, so मैंने आपके लिए कुछ some of your co-stars that you have worked with, I have their names, and I just want to know, like, if you were their secret Santa, what would you gift them? ठीक है?
Okay.
तो सबसे पहले इमरान हाशमी, because he was your
book or something. Imran loves to read a lot, so I'll give him. Yeah.
Book. Okay. Akshay Kumar.
I think a gym equipment.
Okay. विद्युत जामवाल को क्या गिफ्ट देंगे?
यार विद्युत को I don't know. I think विद्युत से I'll only take some gift. I'll tell him to teach me how to do. You know वो 2 fingers पे कभी push up करता है कभी एक उस पे पता नहीं क्या करता है यार वो. I mean.
हाँ. Like
विद्युत से yeah. I think I'll tell him
tips.
to give me like I was like 2% भी strength दे दे वो अपनी बहुत है मेरे लिए.
Okay. Saif Ali Khan, what will you gift him?
Saif also loves to read a lot. So again, like I don't know, he's very well read. So maybe like actually Saif must have read more, like thousands more books than I have. So probably I'll tell him to gift me only like a book.
Okay. Or Anupam Kher last.
I don't know. He loves to eat like a lot of different mithai and all of that. So maybe one of those things.
One of those sweets, yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Isha, for doing this. This was
Thank you.
Hope you have a great time.
Thank you. You too. I hope you have a great Christmas and New Year's, and I wish you all the love and your family a great health. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. And I hope ki 2020 now, whatever is left, just brings happiness to you and a great health.
Brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. I'm going to go enjoy with my family and friends at home. Hope you guys have a great Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year. I will see you soon, but for now, this is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off. And you guys stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.